Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am Mr. Adams and it's March the 27th day of this month, and today we're going to work on Module 4 Lesson 21. This is called Reasoning, my friends. Here is the problem. The question is, Jack said that if you take a number and multiply it by a fraction, the product would always be smaller than what you started with. Is he correct? Well, if I reason the problem and I do what he said is that when you multiply a number times a fraction, numerator and denominator, the product will be smaller. So this is what he said. So I'm going to plug in some numbers to see if this is true. So if my number is 3 times a fraction, let's say 1/2, equals, well, that will be what? Let's solve it. So that will be, we write the denominator for the 3 times 1/2. That will be 1 times 3 equals 3 on the numerator, and 2 times 1 equals 2. So let's see, that is 3/2. So is that bigger or smaller? Well, let me reason this. This part right here, the one that has the equal sign, let me take it back, look it back a little bit. This one said that these factors, when you multiply them, which are these same factors, we just had to add a denominator to the whole number, equal this number. Well, based on what I did, my friends, I think Jack is incorrect, because this symbol says that this fraction is equal to this. So his reasoning is incorrect, because we know now that 3 times 1/2 equals 3/2, which means, my friends, that they are equal. It's not smaller, it's not bigger, it's equal. So Mr. Jack is incorrect. Well, can we add another problem? Well, let's see if we can add another problem, my friends. Let's see if it's true. So if we have a number, let's say we have, this time we have 5 times 1/3. So whatever is on the other side has to be the same. Oh, look at this, my friends. Here's the answer. We don't even have to solve the problem. The answer will always be, let me write this down. So the expression, excuse my writing, my camera is in my hands, will always equal the product, which will be 5/3. Here, this is the product. We can write this in a different manner, my friends. We can say, look, we can do this. We can also say that 5 times 1/3 equals 5/3. Well, let's prove this. Let me get another color marker and let's prove it. Sorry about the moving of the camera. So let's do this. We're gonna solve this, the left side of the equation. It's gonna be 5/1 times 1/3. And that should equal 5/3. That's an ugly 5. Let's make the 5 prettier. So let's continue with the problem. So 5 times 1 equals 5, and 1 times 3 equals 3. Oh, look at that, my friends. This is actually a true equation, because the left side equals the right side. And this is how you reason this problem, my friends. Reasoning problems, in this case, we solve this problem and we actually use numbers to see if it was true. And we found out that it is true. Whatever is on the left side of the equation equals what is on the right side of the equation, my friends. So Jack was incorrect. Okay, my friends, watch the video again. See if this is going to help you. Remember, math is a lot about reasoning. You have to understand what the problems are telling you. Have a great day and keep at it, my friends.